We do these workshops to kind of give an intro to collaborative robots, and at the same time, we give them the option to look at how robots interact with different applications.
This is about seeing problems and solving problems, and so this is just using robotic arms to solve a problem. The hands-on workshops are great for the kids to see that, but it's more about opening their eyes to see how people are solving problems in the real world.
What we are doing here today with these workshops and the competition and trying to guide them, showing the opportunity to capitalize on this opportunity so when they can go and pursue a career, there is a guaranteed return for them in their future.
What's really important about these workshops centered on robotics and automation is that it gives them a clearer picture of their perception of the field, which is really important when it comes to jobs in manufacturing.
Other students should participate in workshops like this is because it gives you varying things to see what you want to do in life. I want to be an industrial engineer, but somebody might came here and was like, I want to be a robotics engineer. I'm very inspired by this. So, or maybe I'll go into communications or something of that nature. And that's why I really think these programs and things that we do really impact us as youth.